Hey friends, are you looking for a place that you'll be able to enjoy this year? You don't want to purchase something that you have to wait for? Well, guess what? We're going to go check out a unit today. We're located in Bayahibe in the Dominican Republic, and we're going to go check out a unit that's under construction, but it's almost ready to be turned in. You guys can enjoy this beautiful pool and you have full view from your unit, but we'll go hop in the unit so you can check it out. Just be careful with your phone. So we are located in a first floor unit, guys. We have this gorgeous pool view right out here, and we have a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom unit to show you, so come on up. The nice thing is that you are a little elevated from the common area, and you do have a front balcony here, so this is a great place to have your morning coffee. If you guys have watched my other YouTube videos, you know that I love natural light, and this place has tons of it. It's amazing. If you take a look around your front entrance door where your front balcony is, you have plenty of sunlight options here. Like I said, this is a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom unit, so let's check out the first bedroom that's right over here. Your bedrooms already have the ACs installed. As you can see, construction is super advanced. Doors are already installed, closet doors, and the windows are installed as well. We do have some construction material here. As you can see, this is going to be your open concept family room slash kitchen area over here. They are still working on the unit, so you do have some cabinets that are still here, but you can get a look at what this unit will look like. This is your kitchen area, and you have your laundry closet back over here. You have your bathroom over here, which is not attached to a bedroom, so your guests can use this as well. All right, so your master bedroom is over here with its attached bathroom. Let's go. Like I said, you have your ACs, your closet, and your attached bathroom. Take a peek. So what's really great about this unit is that if you want to be super social and hang out with your buddies here in the complex, you do have that front patio, that front terrace out here with the pool view. It's really awesome. There's really great neighbors in this building, so you can hang out there, have a drink, chat, go for a swim. But if you want something more private, since this is the first floor, you do have the backyard. So let's go look at that. Lots of great natural light back here. This is your small patio back here, but this whole entire chunk here is yours. Obviously, it's still very under construction. You can see all the construction material, but this whole entire section from over here all the way to over here is yours. So if you guys can imagine how you could work this area, you could have lush palms here. You could put even bamboo just to give lots of greenery back here. And this could be a really cool hangout, private area. You can even put your own barbecue, sitting area for your friends. You can have more of a private hangout if you don't want to be gossipy and sit by the pool. Another really nice thing here is that this door right here actually goes right to the parking spots. So if you don't want to walk through the building this way out towards the front, you can walk into your patio back here. So I think that's really cool that you have those two options for this particular unit. The building offers, there's an elevator in the building. Obviously you don't need it because you're on the first floor, but there is a building elevator in the building. There's a lobby reception, and there's parking towards the front and the side where your private entrance is. Obviously you have the large pool, and we're located in the neighborhood right near my office. So if you guys want to be my neighbors, then you can come and say hi. You're walking distance to the Bayahibe Public Beach, maybe a golf cart ride trip into town, maybe go to restaurants and hang out. So it's a really, really good location. So like you saw, the 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom, obviously it doesn't come furnished, but you have your AC units already installed, and the listing price is, drum roll, $149,000 US. So for less than $150,000 US, you guys can get a 2-bedroom investment property here in Paradise. If you guys want some more details on this property, if you're interested in purchasing this property, let us know. Get in touch with us. You guys can contact me either on my cell phone or my email address. And make sure to check out our Instagram, guys, because we have lots more properties, this one included, but lots more properties on our Instagram that we post daily, so you guys can keep you all updated on what's awesome down here in the Dominican Republic. Thank you guys so much, and see you for the next one.